In this exercise, we're going to use limit operator. Question number 1 is get the first 5 students order by last name. So we're going to get first 5 students in our results, and those are ordered by last names. After that, we are going to get the all students but skip first name. And question number 3 is get the first 5 ratings from the course rating table. So these are the 3 different questions we are going to solve in our this exercise. Let's do this. This is our student management database. I'm just going to select and execute this one, and we are going to work on student table. Okay, let's see. Question number 1, get the first 5 students order by last name. I'm gonna say select. I need all columns from, and then it's gonna be students, and I'm gonna say order, or we can write in order by caps, and last name you need in ascending order, right? And if you want in descending order, you can write DESC keyword there. And I'm gonna say limit, we just need 5 records, so I'm gonna say limit 5. Okay, let's execute this one and see the results. Okay, you have only 5 names, and we order these by last names. If you see last name, now these are ordered in ascending order. Now the question number 2, get all the students but skip first 10. I'm gonna get all the students. I'm not gonna order. Okay, and just you need but skip the first 10. So you have to skip the first 10. You will write how many numbers you want to skip, and then after how many numbers you want to limit. I'm saying here, let's say 5. So we'll get 5 but after skipping first 10. Let's see. If you see these IDs, first 10s they are skipped, and now we have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's what we did here. Selecting all columns from students, skipping 10 and printing only 5. Okay, looks good. Now next question is, we are going to select all columns from course professor rating management database and course ratings table, and we are going to just limit first 5. Let's see these records. Okay, this is your course rating table, and we are just displaying only first 5. That's all for this exercise. If you have any question or comment, please let me know. Alright guys, take care. Bye bye.